In this video, I'll show you where to get promo code deals for Angkas. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so for this demonstration, I'm going to open up my web browser, and inside the Google search box, I'm going to type in Angkas promo code, and then I'm going to hit search. And then you'll be brought to a whole list of Google search results here, as you can see. So we got 50% off here from vouchercodes.ph. Keep scrolling down. Collect offers, we got 50% off here. So you can check out those two sites for deals, but one I like to use is called vouchercodes.ph, 50% off. So I'm going to click into this, and now you can have a look at all the different coupon promo code deals they've got going on, so you can check out which one you like. So for this demonstration, I'm going to do this, receive up to 50% off rides from any Angkas station. So I'm going to click onto that. And some of these deals you don't need any codes, or you don't need to copy any codes. You can just click on get coupon and visit site. They'll activate the code straight away. So if we check out another one, we'll do the next one here. No code needed again, so that's a good thing. We can just click on get coupon and visit the site. So if we check out the other website inside the Google search results, so if we scroll down here from collect offers, let's have a look at these guys. So again, they've got a 50% off coupon code. So if you want to show the coupon code, click on show coupon code. And again, no code needed. So every now and then they'll have these deals where you don't need any coupon codes or promo codes to activate. You can just click on the link straight and it'll direct you straight there to activate that deal.